welcome back to Ishi Mico TV. Today I'm going to show you all I'm going to play today. And you guys, I've never do a fun video, right? And things. So, guess what? I was singing. Oh, no, I never did that. Guess what? Okay, let's start playing. This is my three princesses. Elsa, Anna, and Aurora, my favorite. These three princesses are my favorite, and this is my giant little baby bird. See? I just need to put my... And her hair, it's just so squishy. And I play this every day. But I cannot get it. Oh, it's only the backwards of my hands. Okay, fly, 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 the butterfly. That's her favorite song I sing. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go start playing. Oh, hey. Come on, let's go take a walk for a little bit. Maybe. I hope you can see a giant bird if friendly. Okay, if you're saying so. Ah! Would take me? Oh no, there's a giant bird. She was right. Maybe should we get him? But how do we do? I just do my magic powers. No, it's dangerous. Everywhere, gonna turn freeze. Don't worry, I just protect you. Don't worry, we're saving you. Psh. How did you do that? So, just calm down. I think that's my mom. Okay, there you go. Thanks. And, okay, where's that? And thanks for watching. Bye. Have another video. So each in my head, everywhere in the part of the bodies. And see you later.